This 4-petal 3D flower nail design you see almost everywhere. Here is how you can create yours. First, you're going to need your molding gel, and you're going to need it to be the type that won't be too sticky. So you'll be dropping 4 around each other. They should be equally spaced out, and the one on top and the one under should be slightly bigger than the one on the right hand side and the left hand side. Now remember, when I say they should be equally spaced out, that's very important. Also, they shouldn't be touching each other, neither should they be too far from each other. You can see how much space I have here. Next step would be to use a silicone tool, this pointy one, to place on one of the petals. You can start with the one on the right hand side, and the pointy part of this tool should face exactly the middle of the flower. Now you're going to use it to press against the petal, pushing it forward a little, and you want the part of the petal that is close to the middle to remain pointy. Then you do the same thing with the other one. At this point, you can see that I'm also pressing the sides. I've already done this after achieving the pointy tip with the petal, so I'm just making the sides wider. Remember that no matter what you do, the part of the petal that is at the middle should remain pointy. Now you're going to do the same thing with the one under, but this time around, after pressing it and doing everything you normally do, you're going to stretch it out with your silicone tool. And you also have to make sure that before you pull, you're going to raise up your silicone tool, place it somewhere around the middle of the petal or towards the end of the petal before stretching out. If you place it like the beginning of the petal, which is like the middle of that flower, and you start dragging that petal, you will pull almost everything and you will lose the shape of what you've created. So after doing this, you can go around again, make each petal a bit wider while maintaining the pointy parts. Once you have that,